For her suman panna cotta, congratulations, Chef Jackie.
The secret to world class is a lot of creativity. In my home, I call creativity New Zealand Creamery. It turns simple pastries to world-class delicacies.
Cheese stick de Chavita. Cupcake a la Queensland. Brownie de Chavita. Steak a la Queensland. Dip con queso. Ham roll de Chavita. Cheese steak de Chavita.
Definitely world-class, just like me.
New Zealand Creamery. We make world-class happen.
Na naman? Kung... Na naman? Kung... Kaya ngayong Pasko, mag-CDO Pistaham na. Hindi lang sweet, flavorfully smoked din. Hindi lang meaty, tender pa. Kaya ang sarap ng bagong Pasko. Ngayong Pasko, magbago na tayo. CDO Pistaham. Sarap ng bagong Pasko.
Meet me at a place where we can have a fresh start.
Where we can share meaty views.
Where we can indulge in delightful tidbits.
Where we can brew warm conversations.
For fresh and healthy food, let's meet at Cafe France. See you at CF.
Hindi lahat ng sarap sosyal, mahal. Merong presyong okay, pero lasang Class A. Okay ba? Okay nga. Sarap sosyal.
Ayaw mo ba ng sobrang inig at lasang gamot? Mag-Barako Energy Cola.
Swak sa lakas ang Barako.
May natural energy extenders, Tongkat Ali at D-Ribose.
Swak sa sarap ang Barako.
With low sugar and calorie, giba ang pagod pag may Barako Energy Cola. Swak sa lakas, swak sa sarap.
Para sa ating to Barako.
Toy Kingdom kami!
Ma, Cyberzone.
Sa Ace Hardware ako.
Let's just meet at the food court.
See you, enjoy!
Wow!